Hello students, today we are going to start class 2nd, subject computer, chapter 3, types of computer. There are many types of computers, big, small and tiny. We can place them on a desk, on lap or hold them in our hand. So today we will learn about the types of computer. In type of computer we have big computer also, small and the tiny. We can put them on desks also, lap also, and we can hold them in our hand. First we will learn about desktop. Now desktop. This is a desktop computer and this is our desktop computer. It is big in size and it is a big in size. It is kept on a desk and we kept on a desk at a fixed place, and this computer have a fixed place. It needs electricity to run, and this computer needs the electricity to run, and it is called a personal computer. And what we call this computer? Personal computer. Now laptop. You can see the laptop over here. This is a laptop computer. A laptop is a small computer that can be placed on one's lap, and this is your laptop, and it's a small computer and you can put this laptop on your lap, on one lap also. It is a light to carry, and it is a light to carry. It works on batteries, so we can carry it anywhere. Now it's work on battery and we can carry it anywhere. In a laptop, the CPU, monitor, keyboard and mouse are all inbuilt. So the CPU, monitor, keyboard, mouse, they all are built in this laptop, and the screen can be folded when not in use. We can fold the screen when we not use. Nowadays, a laptop is also known as a personal computer, and we can say the laptop also a personal computer because we can carry the laptop anywhere because it use on battery, and it is in a lightweight, and when we not using the screen, so we can fold it the screen also, so we can say the laptop also a personal computer. Now tablet. It is as powerful as a laptop. It is also powerful as a laptop. We can write and draw on a tablet using a stylus. We can use our fingers to operate it or draw on it, and it is a light and can be carried anywhere. Now you all have seen the tablet also, that it's powerful as a laptop. We can draw or write anything, and we can use our finger to operate and draw, and it is a light and can be carried anywhere. Now smartphone. A smartphone also plays the role of computer. The smartphone also play the role of computer because they have the same features like a computer also. Some features. It is used as a mobile phone. We can make a phone call, store information, send email, play games, take pictures. It usually as a built-in keyboard and a large display. So In smartphone we can call, store information, send emails, play games, take pictures, and the screen is built like a keyboard. A large display we using like a keyboard. Okay, now turn the page. Now the chapter is finished. Now take out your pencil and just mark down the difficult words. First is desktop, electricity, personal computer, laptop, batteries, tablet, powerful, stylus, fingers, operate, carried, smartphone, information. Now it's a difficult words, and these difficult words you have to write in your copy. Now come to exercise. Question number A. Fill in the blanks. 1. Desktop computer is kept at a desk place. Fixed. The spelling of fixed is F-I-X-E-D, fixed. Now second, the dash are mobile phones, smartphones. The spelling of smartphones S-M-A-R-T, smart, F-P-H-O-N-E-S, phones, smartphones. Now question number third, we can write or draw on a tablet using a stylus. The spelling of stylus S-T-Y-L-U-S. Now question number 4. A smartphone has a dash keyboard built in, B-U-I-L-T dash I-N. Now match the following. Laptop, the second picture is of a laptop. Tablet, the third picture is of tablet. Smartphone, the fourth picture of smartphone, and desktop, the first picture of a desktop. Now come to true false. Smartphone work on electricity? No. False. A desktop computer is called a personal computer? True. Third, we cannot write or draw on a tablet using a tablet pen? False. Laptops have a separate CPU? False. Now choose the correct answer. This computer can be carried anywhere easily. Laptop, tick on the laptop. Now second, this is smaller in size. Smartphone. Now question answers. First question, which type of computer is placed at a fixed place? Answer, desktop of computer is placed at a fixed place. Now question number 2, why are laptops convenient to use? Answer, a laptop is a small computer and it works on batteries, so we can carry it anywhere. Now question number 3, mention 2 important features of smartphone. Answer, it usually has a built-in keyboard and a large screen. Okay students, first write your chapter number, chapter name in your copy, then write the difficult words. Once again I am showing you the difficult words. After difficult words, question number B, do and copy the question number B, and it's your exercise. After completing your work, just learn your exercise and the question answers. Thank you.